Let us see how to integrate cos to the power 4 2x. There is no direct formula available as such for cos to the power 4 2x. We have a power reduction formula that converts power 2 of cos into power 1. Okay, it converts angle to double. So theta on the left hand side gets converted to 2 theta. Okay, now that cos to the power 4 2x can be written as cos⁴2x the whole square by x, rule of exponents. Okay, and then I can apply the power reduction formula on that cos⁴2x. I can just apply this 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2. So this is going to be looking like I have integral of 1 plus cos 4x divided by 2, and this, there is this whole square, and there is with respect to x. Notice that that angle 2x gets converted to angle 4x because this power reduction formula also converts that angle to double. Theta gets converted to 2 theta. Okay, all right, now let's expand that whole square. Let's see what do we get. So we have, in the denominator we'll get 4, and in the numerator we can just apply a plus b the whole square. So we have a square, 1 square is 1, plus 2ab, so 2 cos 4x plus cos⁴4x, and then there is with respect to x. I hope it makes sense so far. Okay, now that 1 by 4 is constant and can be taken out of integral, so I have 1 by 4 integral of 1 plus 2 cos 4x plus cos⁴4x, and this is getting integrated with respect to x. Okay, now this integral can be given to all of those terms inside of that integral. So I have 1 by 4. Let's open a bracket. I have integral of 1 dx plus integral of 2 cos 4x with respect to x plus integral of cos⁴4x with respect to x, and let's close that bracket over here. Okay, now we can integrate a couple of these terms very easily. And for cos⁴4x, what we can do is we can apply that power reduction formula again, which converts that power 2 into power 1. Okay, let's see what do we get by doing this. So I have 1 by 4, open the bracket. Integral of 1 is nothing but x plus this 2 is constant, can be taken out of integral. So I have 2. Integral of cos⁴x is nothing but sin⁴x. Remember, in integral, we can divide by coefficient of x for linear terms. So since the coefficient of x here is 4, we divide by 4 because in integral, since integral is antiderivative, we divide by the coefficient of x. Remember, in derivatives, by chain rule, we multiply by the coefficient of x. Since integral is antiderivative, we divide by coefficient of x, okay, after integrating. So we divide by 4 plus integral of, for this cos⁴4x, I can apply again the power reduction formula. So I get 1 plus cos 8x divide by 2. Same power reduction formula which we earlier applied. Okay, I hope it makes sense so far. Now this 2 and 4 will get cancelled and will leave you 2 in the denominator. Okay, now let's see what do we have over here. So 1 by 4 x plus sin⁴x divided by 2 plus, again this 1 by 2 is constant and can be taken out of this integral. So I have 1 by 2, and in the bracket I have integral of 1 plus cos 8x with respect to x, and let's close this bracket and this bracket. Okay, now this integral can be given inside of this bracket over here. So we get 1 by 4 x plus sin⁴x divided by 2 plus 1 by 2. Let's open the bracket again. Integral of 1, give that integral to both of those terms. Integral of 1 with respect to x is nothing but x plus integral of cos 8x with respect to x is nothing but sin 8x. But remember, in integration, we divide by coefficient of x. So we divide by that 8, which is coefficient of x. I've seen people doing u substitution in order to integrate this cos 8x, which is not really required. Just divide by coefficient of x, and which is 8 in this case, and you have the answer. Okay, I'll close that bracket, close this bigger bracket. Let's add the constant of integration c, and that is our final result. We can just clean this up a little bit. Just multiply that 1 by 4 inside that bracket, and I have 1 by 4 times x plus sin⁴x divide by, that will become 8 plus this will become again 8. So I have 1 by 8, and that 1 by 8 gets multiplied with this 2 terms inside. So 1 by 8x plus, and that again 1 by 8, which we get from 1 by 4 times 1 by 2, gets multiplied with this. So 8 times 8 becomes 1 by 64 sin 8x plus, let's add the constant of integration c, and that is your final result. I don't think this was very hard. I have also created the video of sin to the power 4x. Check it out on the link above. I'll see you guys tomorrow.